Unboxing the Apple Watch Series 5. Inside the box, the very first thing you will notice is how clean and minimal the packaging is. Even though this is renewed model, Apple's renewed products usually come in a simple white box, but everything inside is neatly arranged, no clutter, no distraction. As we lift the lid, we are greeted by the 44 space gray aluminum watch case, wrapped securely to protect it from scratches. The finish looks incredibly sleek, still one of the most premium looks Apple has ever made. Under the watch, you will find the black spot band divided into two strap pieces so you can adjust based on your wrist size. And of course, the magnetic charging cable is stuck neatly at the bottom. Everything feels clean and almost new, which is great for anyone buying a renewed model. All components feel well maintained and ready to use right away. Okay, so what's inside the box? Once the watch is in your hand, the lightweight aluminum design instantly stands out. The 44 size is perfect, not too big, not too small, and the smooth rounded edges give it that signature Apple premium touch. The back of the watch houses the heart rate sensors, and on the side you have the digital crown and the side button. The display is bright even before turning it on thanks to the always on retina screen that the Series 5 introduced. The model still looks extremely modern even years later, and that's one of the biggest advantages of buying Series 5 today. Premium looks without the premium price tag. Setting up the watch for the first time, to power it on, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Bring your iPhone close to the watch and automatically a pop-up appears on your phone asking to pair. Tap continue, point your camera at the watch animations and the connection begins. The watch then asks whether you want to set it up as new or restore from a backup. During setup, you will choose your watch face, notifications, preference, activity tracking, Siri, emergency SOS, app syncing options. Now, how to use the Apple Watch? Using the digital crown is your main navigation tool. Rotate it to the scroll through lists, adjust volume or zoom. Press it once to open the home screen. Press and hold to activate Siri. Double press to return to the last app used. Using the side button, the button below the crown has multiple functions. Press it once to open the dock where your recent or favorite apps are stored. Press and hold to open the power menu, power off, medical ID, SOS. Using the touch screen, the display responds to taps, swipes, and long presses. Swipe down to see notifications. Swipe up to open the control center, Wi-Fi, battery, silent mode, flashlight, theater mode, and more. Swipe left or right between widgets during workouts. Press and hold the watch face to edit or change it. Changing and customizing watch faces. Press firmly on the watch face. Swipe until you find one you like, or tap new to explore more styles. You can customize complications, weather steps, heart rate, reminders, colors, layouts, how to track health and fitness. Open the workout app to start running, walking, indoor cycling, strength training, yoga, hit swimming. Tap your activity and hit start. The watch tracks calories, heart rate, time, distance, and face. Your activity rings, move, exercise, and stand fill up throughout the day, and closing them has become a popular trend online. Many users share ring streaks, and you will probably find it motivating too. Now, how to check heart rate? Open the heart rate app, and the watch will show your current BPM, resting heart rate, and working average. It also sends alert if it detects unusually high or low heart rate. Using notifications and calls. When messages, calls, or app alerts come in, they appear instantly on your wrist. You can reply using voice dictation. Use preset messages, send emojis, answer or decline calls directly. It's fast, convenient, and helps you avoid picking up your phone unnecessarily. Using navigation. Open maps and choose a destination on your phone. Your watch will guide you with gentle taps, showing directions on your wrist. This is extremely useful while driving, working, or biking. Using Apple Pay. Once set up from your iPhone, you can pay by simply double clicking the side button and holding the watch near a payment terminal. So, from unboxing to first use, the Apple Watch Series 5 still delivers a smooth premium experience, and even as a renewed until it looks and feels remarkably close to new.